Okay, last time we canned with 16-ounce cans. This time we're going to do 12s. That's the nice thing about this canning machine is it's pretty easy to go from 16s to 12s. I want to show you the procedure and how we do that. Basically, you take an empty can, you count out 10 lids. We're going to sit that on top. So there's 3 screws that you have to loosen. This is your first one right here. Then the other 2 are right underneath. We have right there, and there's another one right on the opposite side right there. So we do this with 2 people. The first person will loosen this screw, loosen one of those screws, while the second person kind of, just holds pressure on that, and then he'll loosen the last screw. Then as he loosens that, I will actually physically lift it up. It lifts up real easy. Then we're going to all slide the can in here with the lids, and it'll just rest on top of there, and that's your space. And then he'll just tighten those 3 back up. You crush the can, pull it out of there, and that's it. It's ready to go. All right, loosen screw 1. Now he's going to loosen the second screw. Then the third one. Okay, I'm going to raise this up. Then he's going to grab a hold of it so I can slide the can in, set the lids on here. Oops. And then lower it back down. Then tightening them up. Okay, once all those are tightened, I'm just going to squeeze the can here, remove the lids, pull the can out. Now we're ready to go. The only thing that we have left to do is once we get our cans loaded on here, and we're going to lower the filler head and adjust this sensor. But we'll show you that here in a minute. Okay, the last part of this is adjusting the fill sensor. So I'm going to have Chris go ahead and lower the fill sensor with the button. And you can see right here is the sensor, and you can move it with your fingers. And you want to get it just where it's right on the inside of the... Alright, so what you just seen there was where we like it, where there's a little bit of foam cap and it just shaves it off and we're not purging excess beer. That's perfect. So you don't want any airspace trapped in there, just a little tiny bit of foam, and it shaves it off. There's also underlid gassing. We're getting extremely low DO levels with this machine by doing this filling method.